What is up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be showing you 10 tips and tricks on the LG Stylo 4. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so most of these tips and tricks are going to be very easy, and probably a lot of them you're going to know, or maybe all of them you're going to know, but there are some secret gems in this video, so definitely stay tuned to the end. Alright, let's go ahead and start off. So the first one I want to talk about basically has to do with battery life. If you guys want to save battery life, or maybe just change the resolution of your screen down from 1080p to 720 for whatever reason you want to, you can actually change the screen resolution. So first thing you want to do is actually go ahead and go into settings. Then we're going to go ahead and go into the display tab, and if we scroll down right here, it says screen resolution. Now you can actually go ahead and click on low, which is 1440 by 720p, and apply that, and it says to change the screen resolution your phone will restart. So if you guys want to go ahead and change your screen resolution, you're gonna have to click on low and then apply and restart your phone. But if you want it to stay on high, just have it under that tab. But this is a really nice feature if you guys do want to save power on your device. Next one has to do with the app drawer. As you guys see right here, I can swipe up and get my app drawer and just go around, or I can just click on it and get my app drawer if I want to do that as well. But a lot of people wanted to know how to get an app drawer, and this is how you do it. So there are two different ways to do it. The easiest one is going just into settings right here, going and clicking on home screen under the display tab. Click right here, and all you have to do is turn on home and app drawer. You can also have the app drawer icon on as well, or you can have it on home, or you can have it on easy home, which is one of the easiest settings to have it on any LG device. So if you guys are new to the Android UI, you guys can have it on easy home as well. But I personally love home and app drawer, so I'm going to go ahead and keep it on that. Another feature I'm pretty sure most of you are aware about is the tap to knock feature right here. So double tap to sleep, double tap to awake, and you can obviously use a fingerprint sensor to turn on your device. If you would like to turn on the double tap knock feature, all you have to go is under the general tab, and then you have to scroll down to extensions and turn this on. It's probably going to be off, but if you turn that on, it's going to say double tap the screen to turn it on and off, and you will have that ability. Another feature I thought was really cool is actually just taking out the stylus out of your phone right here, and it says write a memo. So you can basically write notes with your screen off on dark. So maybe you're in a meeting or you're at school and you need to take notes and you don't want to make a scene. You can actually go ahead and do that. Either save to quick memo or gallery, or use as the default app. And I thought that was a really cool feature. Alright, so the next tip is going to be a very useful one. So as you guys know, your phone might glitch out, you know, randomly, you know, maybe 2, 3 months, 4 months from now. So the bad thing about this phone is we do not have a removable back. If this phone does glitch and you guys want to fix it, you know, we would take out the battery if the phone did have a removable back, but sadly this does not have a removable back. So we're gonna go ahead and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time. 3, 2, 1, go. Then we're gonna get a screen that pops up and says press and hold the power and volume down key, and we're gonna restart the phone right there. And there you go. That's how you restart your phone if your phone glitches out on you. Next tip I would like to show you has to do with sound. So we're going to go ahead and go into the settings. And then we're going to go ahead and go to the sound tab right here and scroll all the way to the bottom. Now we have sound effects at the bottom of here. So it says dialing, keypad sound, LG keyboard sound, touch sound, and screen lock sound. Now a ton of people, including my mom, were pissed off that these sounds were on this phone, and she doesn't like the sounds at all. So she says the touch sound was annoying and the dialing keypad sound was annoying. So you can actually turn off these settings, and if you want them on, you can actually just turn them all on right here. Obviously we're gonna get the sounds for clicking, as you guys hear right here. She was just getting annoyed by those sounds, so I went ahead and turned off the touch sounds for her. If you guys want to customize it to your liking, you guys can obviously do so, but a very simple tip. Another cool feature has to do with the home screen settings. So we're gonna go ahead and hold right here, and we're going to get some home screen settings. Now we can actually change the effects. So if we want breeze, panorama, carousel, we have all types of different effects that you guys can go ahead and change. We also have icons, so you guys can go ahead and click to original, rounded square, round, cylinder, just to customize your, you know, icons and stuff like that. You guys can go ahead and do that. You can also change the grid size, so it says select the grid size to show more or less on the home screen. So if you want 4x4 and want bigger applications, you guys can go ahead and do so. Obviously I like 5x5, so we're just going to click OK. And we have some other features such as wallpaper, loop home screen, and all that other good stuff if you guys would like to change it. Another feature we have on here has to do with the home screen settings as well. Basically, go ahead and hold on your screen. Then we're going to go ahead and go to wallpapers and themes. Now, this is just a very simple thing you can do. Obviously, we have some more wallpapers you guys can download that LG does offer. Another thing that they offer that a ton of people don't know is that we have themes on this device. So if you guys want to change the theme, we have top free, we have top paid. Say you guys want a free one. These are the ones you can go ahead and download. Say we want this one right here. This one looks pretty cool. We're going to go ahead and press OK and allow. Now it says free right here. It gives you a description of how big the file is. So 21.1 megabytes, and it gives you the version 1.01. And we're going to go ahead and download. So it's now downloading, and it downloaded pretty quick in about 3-4 seconds. Installing, and we're going to go ahead and apply that. And it's now applying right now. As you guys can see, V_midnight LG Home Plus. And there you guys go. We have a nice new theme. Really awesome theme, actually. Very good theme from LG. Pretty cool. But, you know, obviously the people who have been messing with LG for a while, you know, they obviously know about this. But for the people who have been messing with ZTE, Samsung, and all these other devices, and they went to the Stylo 4, this is a very good tip for them because, you know, they probably didn't know that you can customize themes, icons, and different stuff like that. So pretty cool stuff. Second to last tip is actually going to be the smart cleaning application that we get inside of this phone. So we're going to go ahead and go to General. Then we're going to scroll down to where it says smart cleaning at. So under extensions, we're going to click on smart cleaning. And we can actually optimize our phone. So if you would like to do so, click on optimize phone. It's going to clean up all that residual storage and delete unnecessary files, as well as stopping unused applications in your background. So if you guys do that, your phone is now fully optimized and it should be running as fast as possible at that current point in time. Now, the last tip and trick I will be showing you is actually screenshotting. So this is another cool thing that you're going to see on this phone is different, you know, toggles to go ahead and screenshot. So obviously you can go ahead and screenshot with a power button and volume down like everyone else does. But if you don't want to do that, you can go ahead and take a screenshot in a way different way. So double tap and hold the fingerprint sensor to take a screenshot. So go right there. So we're going to go ahead and double tap and it screenshots there. And it saves to your gallery. So that's pretty cool. Another cool thing you can do is take a selfie with the camera using your fingerprint sensor. We can also view notification panel. So swipe down with the fingerprint sensor. So all we have to do is swipe down, swipe up, swipe down, swipe down. Take a look at that. So pretty cool stuff. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely tell me in the comments down below what your favorite feature on the phone is so far, and hopefully I can make another tip and trick video on this phone because this is an absolute amazing phone. If you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you guys are not a part of the tech gang already. Also hit that notification bell if you guys do not have notifications on. But yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing day wherever you are. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, tech gang.